Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be reviewing some new Urban Decay products that they just launched. They did get sent to me in PR, and the ones that I'm going to review are an eyeshadow palette, lip gloss, and eyeliners. I already have my face and eyebrows done because just to save time in the video. So I just want to concentrate on the Urban Decay products. So the first thing we have is the Urban Decay BACKTALK palette. So when you open it, it has 3 layers. So the first layer is blushes. It does have a mirror inside. So there's blushes. I think there might be a highlighter. I don't think that's a highlighter. Pretty sure it is, yeah. Shimmer blush, matte, and this one's like a little bit of a shimmer too. And then this side is eyeshadows. They're pretty neutral, pretty basic. So yeah. And then what's interesting also is this middle part comes out. So you can just have it like this, which it doesn't even close all the way if you do that. So then this comes out, you can get yourself, this is only good for eyeshadow. I wouldn't use this for a face since it is so narrow, but it does magnetize inside of this. So it kind of just like chills there and it stands up. And yeah, but also one thing that I don't understand with this palette is that it does not, here, let me show you. So like it doesn't close all the way unless you have it like this. We have it upside down. Well, I guess, you know what? I guess if you're laying it like this. But it doesn't magnetize, which is really weird. I've turned this thing a bunch of different ways and it just doesn't, it won't stick. So I'm not sure if these are new or not, but they do kind of go with the colors of this palette. These got sent to me with the palette. These are the eyeliners. These are called the 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencils. So there's some neutrally shades right here that will go good with this palette. There is also a lipstick, and this is a Vice lipstick, and this one is called BACKTALK, of course, complimentary to the eyeshadow palette. This is a Comfort Matte dry down formula. And then also, there are all these lip glosses. These are their Hi-Fi Shine Ultra Cushion lip glosses. Look at that. Oh, but yes, I'm going to use one of these in my video. I'm not going to be like swatching these or anything, but yeah. So I'm really excited to try those lip glosses. And yeah, so I'm just go ahead and zoom in to my eyes and we get started on eye look. Alright, so I did already use blush. I kind of forgot to use this palette because I forgot there's blush in here. So I'm not going to be using blushes, but I will be using eyeshadows, of course. Alright, so I'm going to grab the shade BACKTALK and I'm going to put that into my crease a little bit as a transition shade. So I already did put concealer on my eyelids and set it with an eyeshadow or I set it with a translucent powder. Alright, now I'm going to go with the shade WTF right here and put that a little bit lower into the crease. This is their Set the Stone Cream Matte Eyeliners, and this is in shade Rodeo. So I'm going to use a dense little packing brush just to pack it onto the eyelid. Alright, I'm going to take more of that WTF shade, and I'm going to really pack that on, and I'm going to blend out that cream liner with that. They're very similar shades, so it should help blend that out. Alright, so once I have that like that, gonna take that fluffy blending brush I used in the crease and just kind of blend all that out. Just gonna put a little bit of the WTF on it, just a little bit. The blend could be a little bit better, but once you're working with mattes and creams, they tend to not blend the best together. So you gotta be kind of careful and have that in mind. But I just love the way it looks when you put a shadow over a cream. I'm going to go back in with that pink shade, BACKTALK, and I'm going to go ahead and put that in the crease. Get a little bit more of that pink back. Alright, now I'm going to grab a pencil brush, and I'm going to use the shade Curve right here. And I'm going to put that into the inner corner. Alright, that's not very bright at all. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray my brush with a little bit of setting spray. Alright, so now I'm going to do a liner, and I'm going to take these same gel liners from Dose of Colors, and this one is in Hit the Road. I'm just going to do a winged liner real quick. Alright, so my lip is on. Sorry about the sudden contact change. These are the only contacts I have left. But for the lip, I just put on the this lipstick by Charlotte Tilbury. This is KKW. And I'm going to go ahead and use this lip gloss by Urban Decay. This is in shade Midnight Cowgirl. So I'm going to go ahead and pop her all over on top of this. Oh, it's minty. Wait, is this like a lip plumping? Alright guys, so here's the finished look. This lip gloss does feel pretty good on the lips. It does have a mint scent to it and a mint taste. It's not tingling, it's not burning or anything like that, so it does feel pretty good. But yeah, if you're not into mint or like strong scents on your lips, you might not like this. But I do like the way it looks. I don't mind the mint. I'm not the biggest fan of mint, but I don't mind it. The palette is pretty good. I do like it. I mean, it's a pretty basic palette, like I said with other palettes before. I'm not the biggest fan of basic ass palettes because they just don't do anything for me. Can't get creative or anything. And just a side note, the Dose of Colors liners are really good. And my liners are totally wonky, but I don't have time to fix it, so that's okay. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions, comments, or anything like that. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Deuces.